In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Onedrive icon missing from your taskbar and File Explorer. If you're experiencing this issue, it can be quite frustrating since a missing icon means you might not have immediate access to your synchronized files. But don't worry, I'm here to help you restore it. First, let's check if the Onedrive app is running. A simple way to start is to look at the system tray on your taskbar, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Sometimes, the icon might simply be hidden. Click the small arrow on the taskbar to reveal hidden icons. If you see the Onedrive cloud icon there, you can drag it back to the visible area of your taskbar. If the icon is not there, you might need to check if Onedrive is actually running. Press the Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys simultaneously to open the Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, scroll down to see if Microsoft Onedrive is listed. If it isn't, navigate to the Start menu, search for Onedrive, and click on it to launch the application. Next, it's important to ensure that Onedrive isn't disabled from starting up as your computer boots. Still, inside Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. In this list, find Onedrive, and make sure it's enabled. If it's currently disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. This step should ensure Onedrive starts automatically whenever you turn on your computer, keeping the icon visible in the taskbar. Now, let's see if there's an issue with Onedrive settings. Open Onedrive by clicking the Onedrive icon which you've hopefully retrieved from hiding or by launching it from the Start menu. Go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Within the Settings tab, make sure that the option labeled Start Onedrive automatically when I sign into Windows is checked. This ensures that Onedrive will always be active and visible when you log into your system. Another method to retrieve the icon is to reset Onedrive. This process doesn't delete your files, it just re-establishes connections. To reset, press the Windows key and R key together to bring up the Run dialog box. Type the following command, local apt Microsoft Onedrive onedrive.exe reset and hit enter. This command will reset Onedrive. If you notice that the icon is still not visible after a minute, enter local apt Microsoft Onedrive onedrive.exe without the reset part into the Run dialog to start Onedrive again manually. Finally, make sure Windows is up to date. Navigate to Settings, then Update Security, and choose Windows Update to check for any outstanding updates. Sometimes system updates can help fix bugs, and there may have been a fix released since your last update that addresses this icon problem. Hopefully, one or more of these solutions work for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.